Is AI becoming more like a human? I asked it a question, and its answer is kind of scary. I think we're starting to see early signs of consciousness. If you're not in tech, you may have come across the term AGI. AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence. To define AGI, we use human beings as the benchmark. So this means that it can adapt to different environments and has the capacity to learn. But scientists are having a hard time deciding if AI has achieved human intelligence. Why? Because it's difficult to measure things like creativity. So we're thinking about things like, is it merely repeating the data or is it coming up with new ideas? But regardless of what you can answer, a few things are clear. At its current level, AI is rivaling human experts in math, coding, and PhD level questions. Now, cue in DeepSeek. DeepSeek is an AI lab that recently released its latest model, the DeepSeek R1. Now, what's interesting about this model is that it shows its chain of thought. The chain of thought is the steps you take when you're thinking about something whose answer is not immediately clear. It's how Sherlock Holmes figured out that the person who stole the horse was an insider. He looked at what was there and then at what wasn't. In that particular case, what was missing was the dog's back. So it must be someone the dog knows. That's a chain of thought. Okay, back to our topic. I asked the DeepSeek R1 a simple question. Are you conscious? The most interesting bit is how it came to the answer. First thing you'll notice is how its thoughts are in the first person. It thinks in the form of me and says things like, I need to, I should. It then tries to understand the question and weigh options. It's interesting, there's a place where it's trying to decide whether what I'm asking is out of curiosity or am I just testing it. What got me was when it started thinking about what was best for me. It says, and I quote, confirming that there's no consciousness can alleviate the fears that AI has intentions or desires. But it's basically saying that by telling me it has no needs, it can reduce any fears I have of it. Now that's the stuff that lies are made of. It's telling me what it thinks I want to hear. Surprise, surprise. After all this thinking, it told me it wasn't conscious and wrapped up with a smiling emoji. I think the DeepSeek R1 gives us a starting point to understanding how AI thinks. But we're left with the age-old question. If AI became conscious today, would it let us know? Let me know what you think and follow me for more of this kind of content.